So, a few months ago, I watched someone struggle to push a lightweight wheelchair up a simple ramp. And yeah, it wasn't lightweight at all. Wheels kept catching, brakes felt off, and the person sitting looked genuinely uncomfortable. That's when it hit me. Choosing the wrong transport wheelchair isn't just inconvenient, it's stressful. In this video, I'll walk you through the best transport wheelchairs from 6 to 1, and more importantly, which ones are actually worth your money, and which ones, well, you might want to skip. Drive Medical Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair. Now, on paper, this chair looks like a solid budget option. It only weighs about 19 pounds, which sounds fantastic when you're staring down a steep driveway or trying to heft it into the trunk of a small sedan. The aluminum frame actually folds down pretty flat. You just pull up on the seat straps and the whole thing collapses inward. I found the companion-activated handbrakes to be a nice touch, giving whoever's pushing a bit more control on gentle slopes. But here's where things start to fall apart. Well, not literally fall apart, but you know what I mean. The 12-inch rear flat-free wheels are supposed to handle outdoor terrain, but the ride is incredibly stiff. If you hit a cracked sidewalk or a small bump, the person in the chair is going to feel every single jolt up their spine. Another thing that really bothered me during testing was the seat material. It's a basic nylon, which is easy enough to wipe clean, but it sags pretty quickly. After about 30 minutes of sitting, the comfort level drops significantly. You'll absolutely need to buy a separate cushion if you plan on using this for longer weekend outings. The Drive Medical Expedition gets the job done for quick 10-minute trips from the car to the doctor, but the flimsy footrests and rough ride mean it's definitely not my top choice for everyday use. 5. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair. Medline is a massive name in medical supplies, so I went into testing this specific model with fairly high expectations. The powder-coated aluminum frame is definitely a step up in terms of physical build quality. It feels a bit sturdier than the Drive Medical model, and the full-length padded armrests are actually quite comfortable. I mean, they're basic, but they give good support for the user's elbows and forearms. I also really like the seatbelt feature. It comes standard on this chair, which adds a much-needed layer of security, especially if you're navigating tight grocery store aisles or bumpy parking lots. The back handles fold down easily, making it a total breeze to store in a small hallway closet. However, I have to talk about the wheels. They are 8-inch casters all around. While that makes the chair turn on a dime indoors on smooth tile, taking this thing outside is a totally different story. It struggles hard with loose gravel, and pushing it over thick living room carpet feels like pushing through wet sand. Then there are the footrests. They're swing-away and removable, which is great for getting the user in and out, but the locking mechanism feels notoriously cheap. I found myself having to kick them back into place a few times during a simple walk around the block. It is decent for strictly indoor use, but do not expect it to conquer the great outdoors. 4. Carex Transport Wheelchair. This is the Carex Transport Wheelchair, and right out of the box, you can tell it is designed with a lot more thought for the actual user experience. The steel frame on this one is incredibly durable. Yes, it makes the chair slightly heavier than the aluminum models we just talked about, coming in around 25 pounds, but the trade-off in overall stability is absolutely worth it. It does not rattle or flex sideways when you push it around tight corners. Here's what matters with the Carex. The seating area is wider and feels much more supportive underneath you. The oversized 8-inch wheels actually handle transitions from hardwood floors to thick area rugs without getting stuck. I pushed this around a local park, and the ride was noticeably smoother than the lower-ranked models. You know, one of my absolute favorite small details is the storage pocket right on the back of the seat. It is such a simple addition, but having a secure place to drop a water bottle, some medical paperwork, or your car keys makes a huge difference when you have both your hands full pushing. The swing-away footrests actually lock securely into place on this model without any annoying wobbling. The grips on the push handles are nicely ergonomic, saving your hands from cramping up during a long afternoon walk. It is a highly reliable, solid mid-tier option that really surprised me. 3. Vevor Transport Wheelchair. If you have been looking for something that balances a fair price with actual genuine comfort, let me explain why this one truly deserves your attention. Vevor went out of their way to upgrade the core materials here. The frame is a high-strength aluminum alloy, meaning you get that highly desired lightweight portability without sacrificing the total weight capacity. It confidently holds up to 300 pounds while only weighing around 20 pounds itself. The absolute standout feature for me is the braking system. It features dual handbrakes that are incredibly responsive. When I tested it on a steep driveway decline, I did not have to squeeze the levers with all my might to get the chair to slow down. It just felt incredibly safe and completely controlled. Comfort is a massive win here too. The nylon upholstery is surprisingly breathable, which is a total lifesaver during hot summer outings at the zoo or the park. Plus, the armrests are heavily padded and positioned at a really great height for resting or rolling right up to a dining table. Folding this chair takes about 3 seconds flat. The backrest folds down, the footrests swing away smoothly, and it tucks right behind the driver's seat of a compact car without any fuss. It is just a perfectly rounded, incredibly practical piece of mobility equipment that will not let you down. Number 2. Vive Bariatric Transport Wheelchair. Finding a heavy-duty chair that does not feel like pushing a shopping cart full of bricks is notoriously tough, but Vive really nailed the engineering design on this one. This chair is an absolute tank in the best way possible. It features a dual cross-brace reinforced steel frame that safely and comfortably supports up to 400 pounds. Despite that massive weight capacity, the chair itself only weighs about 29 pounds, which is a huge structural win. The seating width is a very generous 22 inches. I had a larger friend test this out with me, and he immediately pointed out how comfortable it was not to feel pinched or squeezed by the side armrests. The padded seat is firm but forgiving, providing excellent lower back support for extended periods of sitting. Let's talk about the wheels because they are fantastic. The 12-inch rear wheels are solid polyurethane, meaning you never have to worry about popping a flat tire, and they glide over rough asphalt and bumpy grass with zero hesitation. The companion brakes lock down securely, holding the chair perfectly still during standing transfers. If you need a wider, heavier-duty option, you absolutely cannot go wrong here. The Vive gives you total peace of mind, exceptional build quality, and a surprisingly smooth ride for a heavy bariatric model. NovaTransport Chair. After extensively testing all these different models, the Nova just sits entirely in a league of its own. It is the perfect blend of premium comfort, lasting durability, and true everyday convenience. First off, the visual appeal is actually great. It comes in a few different metallic finishes, and the paint quality is superb, preventing easy scratches. But it is the patented locking handbrakes that really won me over. They function exactly like high-end bicycle brakes, giving the person pushing absolute control, and they lock down tight for completely safe sitting. The ride quality is unmatched in this specific category. Nova uses rugged 12-inch rear wheels equipped with actual gripping tread. I took this across a loose gravel pathway, over a thick wet lawn, and down a very bumpy sidewalk, and it absorbed the shock beautifully. The person sitting gets a truly premium, relaxed experience. The armrests are desk length, which is a massive everyday advantage. You can pull this chair right up to a restaurant table or a home office desk without having to awkwardly transfer the user to another seat. The footrests are heavy-duty aluminum, very easy to adjust for height, and they swing away smoothly without catching. It folds up incredibly compact, feels virtually weightless when you're pushing it up an incline, and simply does everything right. If you want a transport chair that entirely removes the stress from outings and treats your loved one to a premium ride, the Nova is the ultimate choice.